This is Darren with Madcap Toys. I've got a new video I'm putting out here today. I really didn't intend on doing this, and we don't plan on putting out every day a bash eBay video. But we've just been alerted to another glitch that has affected us on eBay. And for you guys that have been following along with us on the last video, which we'll post a link to in this video, that dealt with how to resurrect your sales on eBay. These issues have just happened earlier this morning, and some of them affect us personally, some of them didn't, but they sort of go along with and sound like some of the issues we was facing in coins, toys, comics, and whatever else a guy may have been selling that we were dealing with at that time. But as of today, which is 10/18/19, the tech issues that we got notified of was that there is some serious issues dealing in the seller's hub, and we know that to be true. The categories that they say are affected, and this ties back with the toys and stuff that I just talked about in the last video about our sales just falling off the face of a cliff. But they said that now there is another glitch as of late last night, early this morning when I got notified, dealing with clothing, shoes, and various clothing accessories and paraphernalia. Alright, and the glitch that you have to deal with in that is basically the sellers are being told to do what I was told to do with my toys, my coins, my currency, my comics, and everything else. Basically end them and go through and edit them, okay, and resell them as similar. Right now, various people I think have already started putting out some of these videos, but the difference is they're just saying go and edit your videos or your items. Well, that's cool, but I'm going to tell you guys what the gentleman told me when we talked to eBay Proper a couple of nights ago. Selling similar is going to work better for you. But anyway, what you have to do on each of these items is go through your items, whether it be shoes, clothing, apparel, accessories of any type dealing with clothing, and go through your specifics, again dealing with specifics because of a new update that eBay just did. You have to put in small, extra small, large, extra large, medium, whatever it is, because if you don't put that in, your items will not show up if somebody says I want an extra large shirt, Nike shirt. If they put in extra large Nike shirt like I wear, then it's not going to show up in the listings. If they just put in Nike shirt, they may see it. But if they put in extra large Nike shirt, small Nike shirt, whatever it is, they're not going to see it. Excuse me for a second, guys. I just got a notifications from Facebook or YouTube on something we've been discussing with eBay. But we took and we called eBay again tonight. We talked to another of our concierge service reps, and again he was very polite and kind and got straight to the point. Our problem that we would like to notify you guys of today, and I've got it wrote down here for you guys, is there is also a glitch that some of you may notice and have to deal with. Now we did, and when I saw it, my wife contacted me late last night and she said, did you see what's going on with our fees? And I said, no, why? What's going on? At the time, our fees, because sales have been down, was only $72 and change. Okay, I don't usually give this kind of personal information out, but since eBay's had so many glitches and we want people to know what's going on, we're using ourselves as a prime example. So if you have something similar, you know what's going on, and you're not going to have a heart attack either. Okay, but basically, my wife came home from work while I was working on the internet trying to sell similar items on our store, like I said in our last video, and how to deal with that topic. But we called eBay, and the guy said, look, we can't help you right now because the fee schedule is being updated. The fees are being updated. We have no access to that. So you'll have to call us in 24 hours. Well, we waited 24 hours. And this is what happened with our fee error. Okay, we got a promo offer. And at the time, our sales were rocking the world in July. And they said, hey, Madcap Toys, if you will try out again, because I've been in Anchor store at least 3 times. If you will try out again Anchor store, go up from premium, I believe is what they call it, which is where we're at currently now, to Anchor, we will give you that at the premium price level of roughly 79 bucks. Okay? And we said, sure, we'll try it out for the 3-month promo that you give us. And we did. Why wouldn't you? I mean, 10,000 listings, 1,000 waste of your time auctions. Well, you'd be crazy not to. But we did. We went up. All right. Then, all of a sudden, the bottom fell out of our sales. eBay's been updating left and right, and it's just punishing sellers in a lot of ways, okay? So we said, we're not going to keep listing just to pay all our money that we're making in sales to eBay. You know, I'm not going to give my product away just to pay eBay so a $500 billion company can be richer while I'm going into the poorhouse. So we went back to premium. Well, we checked out our fees last night, and I'm talking to you about 5 o'clock. So when we called the gentleman, 6 o'clock. And our fees went from $74 to over $895 roughly in total fees. Now, there's some change on both ends of those, so just take it as rounds, okay? And then later that night, we just kept an eye on them, see if they was going to fix it from where we talked to the gentleman. Well, the fees had dropped down to $742 in fees, which is way too high for what we had got and what we have been selling because of the issues. Well, we called in tonight, roughly about 7:30, and we just got off the phone a little bit ago with him, and we talked to him, and he said, you guys are right. There's a major glitch that's going on, and we are basically going to have to credit you $395 or so. And so they did, and our fees is going to be around, $349, $350. But I wanted you guys to know this because don't freak out. If you have a problem with your fees and you notice it, call eBay and deal with them and tell them what your subscription is, especially if you've changed stores and they gave you a promo and went up. They're basically double dipping you, double billing you. So if you did that, you've gone up, and because of this update, it's catching it and they're charging you twice. So you got to get them to take and look at your letter that they sent you, and then they will credit your account, and it can take up to, he said, maybe 3 or 4 days. So just sit there and contact eBay if you have these problems. All right, this is Darren. Thank you guys so much for viewing this video and for your support, and for all you guys that subscribe. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if this information has helped you in any way. Don't forget to comment. Tell us about your experience and what we can do and how we can help you out by the information that we're giving out here. Share the word, and guys, hey, we appreciate it. Subscribe to us if you can. You guys have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.